Introducing the V-TUF HDC140 Professional Electric Pressure Washer. Engineered for those who demand more. Built to last 4 times longer than other domestic or DIY machines, the HDC140 delivers uncompromising reliability, making it the professional's choice for powerful, everyday cleaning. At its core is a robust 240-volt electric motor, producing an impressive 140 bar of pressure with a flow rate of 8 litres per minute. This combination of power and performance cuts through stubborn dirt, grease and grime with ease, delivering consistent, professional results. The durable, easy-pull trigger and stainless steel lance come equipped with 4 quick-release nozzles, neatly stored on the machine for fast and easy switching between spray types. Mounted on 10-inch heavy-duty wheels and housed in a sturdy steel chassis, the HDC140 is built to withstand tough environments while staying highly mobile across rough or uneven terrain. With its built-in chemical application system, the HDC140 applies detergent safely and efficiently, perfect for sanitizing, degreasing or lifting heavy dirt, all without damaging the pump. Once the detergent has done its work, simply switch to a rinsing nozzle. With the quick-release design, it takes just seconds to change over, leaving surfaces spotless and chemical-free. For the ultimate boost, the rotating turbo nozzle provides a penetrating jet that works up to 3 times faster, tackling the toughest grime with ease. Whether cleaning vehicles, machinery, work sites or paving, the HDC140 delivers brilliant results on every job, saving water, effort and valuable time. And with the optional suction feed pump kit, you're no longer tied to a main supply. Its crush-resistant hose draws water from tanks, containers or water butts, ideal for remote sites or during hosepipe bans. This gives you unmatched flexibility and keeps you working whatever the conditions. Pair the HDC140 with the optional Turbo Surface Cleaner to quickly clean debris off floors, walls and stone surfaces, making large-scale jobs faster and more efficient. The V-TUF HDC140. Powerful, versatile and built to last.